Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be doing a Federico Chiesa in-depth review, so hope you stay tuned. So yeah, I'm be clearly playing with my friend. His name is Emir. Yeah. So I did, I chatted with him and he said he was down for playing, VSA and head to head to just. He also needed to watch like the Chiesa review. So yeah, just gotta see. So yeah, this moment we were waiting a little too long because he wasn't picking it up. Then like after like 5 to 6 or 3 seconds, and after that, yeah, then he picked it up. So yeah, okay, so as you can see, my friend has a better team because I stopped last year, so he has a little better experience than mine. He's 144 and all of that, and I'm 139 currently, so it's kind of bad actually. But well, we are just here for the Chiesa review, not for the team. Yeah, let's see. So the first of all, as you see, okay, Robin, 20. No, ND can't score. He's too short. Still Robin, okay, still Robin. I still cannot get the chance. Oh, still can't get the chance. Okay, now it's still Robin. We have to score this so that we could tie our game up. Okay, so now we have Chiesa. Finally, we are with Chiesa. Okay, with a run. Ooh, okay, that was good. Okay, that was a good one. Chiesa. Okay, that's good shot power. Okay, that's the first one. Just mark it. It's a good shot power right there. Oh, that's Eriksen. Oof, what a bad mistake for me. Robin again. NDA, good. And okay, we missed that chance. Okay, it's Chiesa again. Okay, Zaniolo got that ball. Okay, now we can't miss this. Okay, free kick. Okay, that's good. Very good from backs. Now Chiesa again. Chiesa with a fake shot. Oh, that's a good fake shot through Lacroix. Chiesa. Oh, that's a little mistake from Chiesa. Maybe it's my mistake because I didn't hold the controls properly. And wow, wait, what a pass. What a pass. But okay, we didn't really get that time to equalize it. So now it's Eriksen again to NDA. Yay, what a shot. Okay. So that was a good match, no cap. That was a really good match. Now I decided to change my position. That time I was using left mid. Now I'm using Chiesa as a right wing. Yeah, so now you guys understand the two positions so that you can go for him. So like if I go for the right wing part, the people who didn't get Robin is the best choice. I'm swear to God, is the best choice. So now we are using him as a right wing, or yeah, I mean right. He's right wing, but we use him as a right mid for now. Yeah, so let's try him out. For me personally, right, I do not know, because I think he's better at left mid. He plays very good in left mid, but I don't know about right wing. I can't judge, so let's see now. For me, I really think he plays good in left wing, no cap. But okay, so let's see now. Okay, so go on. NDA Moriba. Okay, now NDA again. I think I'm gonna pass it. Oh, that's Eriksen. Okay. Wanted to cross that. How did that go to Patricio? Wow. Okay, Moriba, 20. I can't give that ball to Chiesa. We're not getting any chances. Okay, we get Chiesa. We're gonna curve it from there. It's impossible. Okay, that's almost close. No, I tried to fake shot. Okay, I'm sorry guys. That was really my mistake. You cannot blame Chiesa for that. That's my mistake. I should have done fake shot, but nah, I forgot. Oh god, we're gonna lose this match, but who cares? We're just here for Chiesa. NDA, that's a good shot actually. Now Robin, I can't. Lacroix cleared it. Oh, Eriksen and Moriba. That's good. Very good shot. Chiesa again now. Oh, please do good. Oh, I'm telling you, his flip flaps are smooth. This is why people call him Spaghetti Mafia, because literally spaghetti is like, you know what I mean, it's like so smooth. He's just like that. It's literally just like that. I swear to God. You should really get Chiesa. Look, just look at his full plap. Just look at it. Look at that. Oh, smooth. He's just smooth. That was my mistake again. I'm sorry about my curving. Should have done it maxed. His things is so smooth. Look, what? If he left James done. Jesus, wow. Well, that's it. Now we have the head-to-head gameplay with him. By this time, I only scored 1-0. And yeah, that was a very wonder shot from... wonder, pass from Eriksen. And Bex, so 2-0. Yeah, okay, so now let's see what we can do. Diogo Jota to Pire. Okay. Lacroix, come on. We need Chiesa's goal. I'm not leaving till Spaghetti Mafia gets the goal. I'm not leaving. Okay, let's go. So it's Shaw still. It's literally Shaw still. Oh, what a pass. I thought I got to gun it. Okay. NDAA, nice pass to Zaniolo. He's offside. Very, very bad. Okay, now we have De Vrij. Where am I going to pass it to? Okay, Zaniolo is covering Shaw. I'm going to pass it to Chiesa. Let's see, can I do? Nope. Okay. Okay. It's half time, so it's... Yeah, I don't mind that. He would have scored if he wasn't the 45th minute. 100%. Zaniolo. Eriksen. Oh! God damn! He got strength! Okay, Chiesa. Oh, what a foul pass. Chiesa, that's my mistake again. Zaniolo. Whoa. Hey. Bro. How did Moriba do that? Moriba, oh my God, he's trying to concede a penalty. No. God, why? Well, we conceded a goal by Moriba's mistake. I didn't know why he did. Maybe it's my mistake. I think it's my mistake. I don't know, but we'll see. Eriksen now to Robben to Moriba. I want to... No. God. I don't know. EA these days, I just don't know. When I pass, they don't pass it. I just don't know why. Moriba to Bex to Eriksen and Pire. Oh God. Zaniolo. Oh no. Mings. Okay, that's good. Mings. Nice one there. Mings to Bex. What am I talking about? Okay, good shot. No. Don't lose it to Diogo. No. Oh God. Zaniolo the shot. Very good. Yes. What a block. We would have considered a 2-2. Shoo. What a one. I think what I'm going to do is pass Yul. Even though he's only strong, he's very slow. I'm going to use like not through lobbing, like, like middle out of nowhere, we're going to through ball. No. Patricio, what have you done? No. What a ball from NDAG though. Perez just scored it. We just literally conceded a goal again. He just has been like, I don't know, 5 minutes or something. Okay, oh God. I swear to... What is this Zaniolo doing? Zaniolo is just trying to make some falls or something. Okay, Chiesa. Roulette. Okay, Vamo. Okay, that's good. Oh, okay. A little turn. Okay. Cut back to Højbjerg. Okay, that's good. Chiesa still. Chiesa. Oh my God. What a goal. This is what I call Spaghetti Mafia. Oh my God. Wow. Round of applause to this dude. He literally made Luke Shaw jump. Oh my God. We literally won the game because of Chiesa, man. Oh God. I'm just gonna tell you something. I bet you the goal you just saw, just take a pause. Literally just pause the video. Take another take another tab and just compare the Euros goal with this goal just right now. It's literally the same. He's just too smooth. He's just too smooth. He's just too smooth. Okay, De Vrij get that corner. Throw in. Throw it properly, my man. Throw it properly. Chiesa, nice. Okay, good. Kalha no glolu. What one? Okay, Shaw again. Now I'm gonna pass it to Eriksen. He's free currently. Ericsson's also a good shout out for the camp. Okay, we won the game. Let's go, boys. 3-2. Thanks to Federico Chiesa. He won the game. So that's all for today, guys. See you next week.